Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by unlinking OneDrive so the service stops syncing while you remove it. This prevents accidental file loss. Open the OneDrive icon in the system tray, go to Settings, then Account, and choose Unlink this PC. Once done, make sure you've copied any files you need from the OneDrive folder to a local folder. Otherwise, you may lose recent changes. Pause or exit syncing to confirm no transfers are active before proceeding to uninstall steps. Next, you uninstall the OneDrive application through Windows Settings to remove the program itself. Go to Settings, Apps and Features, locate Microsoft OneDrive and click Uninstall. Provide admin permission when prompted. If the UI refuses removal, open PowerShell as administrator and run the appropriate uninstall command. This forces removal while preserving system stability. Make sure to stop the process first and confirm you have backups. Removing the app will not delete cloud files, but local copies may be removed. Finally, you clean up residual files and verify the service is gone. After uninstall, delete leftover OneDrive folders in your user profile and remove any startup entries. If you're comfortable, clear related registry keys. Back up the registry first. Restart the PC and confirm OneDrive no longer appears in the system tray or startup. If something goes wrong, reinstall OneDrive and then remove it again, or run the uninstall as administrator. This resolves most permission or corrupted install issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.